Good afternoon, everyone. Respected chief guests, guiders, and judges. Today I am going to represent a seminar on artificial intelligence potential and concern. Content: Introduction, History of Artificial Intelligence, Why Artificial Intelligence, Application of Artificial Intelligence, Potential of Artificial Intelligence, Advantages, Disadvantages, Social Impact, Awareness, and Conclusion. इंट्रोडक्शन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस बा कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता जार अर्थ कृत्रिम उपाय रे विकसित बौद्धिक दक्षता आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस होची कंप्यूटर साइंस एक उन्नत धरण शाखा जहा एक यंत्र को बुद्धिमान करयो सहायता करे जेपर कि से यंत्रटी मनुष्य में कार्य करि पारे भाबी पारे चिंता करि पारे ओ कहि पारे किंतु अन्य अर्थ कह गले आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस होची कंप्यूटर सिस्टम एवं रोबोटिक सिस्टम एक उन्नत जोड़ता प्रतीक यह द्वारा आम जीवन को सुखमय और सहज करने को आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस सहायता करे कौन विषय तथ्य जानिबा हेले आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस किछि मुहूर्त भितर से तथ्य विषय आम कहि थाए यह होछि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस रा महत्व। हिस्ट्री ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। व्हाई आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस? Computers are fundamentally well suited to performing mechanical computation with increased program rules. Artificial intelligence enhances speed, precision, and effectiveness of efforts. Application of artificial intelligence: transportation, healthcare, virtual assistant, recommendation system, security, safety, energy, for detection and machine translation. Transportation: artificial intelligence is used in self-driving cars, taxi booking apps, and road optimization. For example, self-driving cars use artificial intelligence to stop at traffic signals, slow down, and avoid obstacles. Taxi booking apps use artificial intelligence to analyze data to predict demand and allocate drivers to high-demand areas. Healthcare: artificial intelligence is used in medical cases, research, and patient monitoring. Virtual assistant: artificial intelligence is used in virtual assistant like Siri and Alexa. Recommended system: artificial intelligence is used in recommended system for e-commerce, Netflix, Spotify, and LinkedIn. Fraud detection: artificial intelligence is used in financial institute to fraud detection. Machine translation: artificial intelligence is used in machine translation. Potential of artificial intelligence in different fields like healthcare, agriculture, transportation, retail, energy, government, education, e-commerce, and logistics. Healthcare: artificial intelligence is used in diagnose disease and perform other tasks that are currently done by humans. Artificial intelligence is used in other tasks that are like administrative process in healthcare organization. Transportation: artificial intelligence is used in improved traffic management and improved self-driving cars. Retail: artificial intelligence is used in personalized service, recommend products, and monitor inventory. Government: artificial intelligence is used in improve public safety, detect crime, and provide citizen service. Advantage of artificial intelligence. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस मानव समाज आसवा दिन ठारू आमर अनेक कार्य सहज हो पार्टी एपरिकी शिक्षा, कृषि, स्वास्थ्य, विज्ञान ठारू आरंभ करी वाणिज्य शासन क्षेत्र में सबुठे आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस रा सहयोग चलती। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस मानव समाज एक आशीर्वाद कौन तथ्य विषय जानवा हो कि कौन देश विदेश खबर ठारू आरंभ करी विभिन्न तथ्य आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस आम मानव समाज को एक उन्नत मानव स्तंभ बोली गणना कराए। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस आमको शिक्षा क्षेत्र सहायता करता है, स्वास्थ्य क्षेत्र रे, शासन क्षेत्र रे, जेपरिक देशर राजनैतिक, सामाजिक और अर्थनैतिक क्षेत्र सहायता करता है। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस मानव जीवन धारा मानव उन्नत और पसंदमय करता है जहाँद्वारा कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस घर इंटेरियर डिजाइन व्यवहार कराए घर केउ लेआउट ठीक हम ताकि से गणना कर Disadvantage of artificial intelligence: high cost, unemployment, lacking creativity, increased human laziness, dependency and lack critical thinking, data privacy and security. Awareness. Offer online learning. Working professionals may find it difficult to attend classroom-based training, so online platform can offer self-paced learning. AI is technology that allows machines to learn and think like humans. It has many uses, including tasks, automation, predict and provide insights, etc. Conclusion. Ultimately, the end goal of artificial intelligence to human lives, improve efficiently, and address complex challenges across various fields, ranging of healthcare and education to business and environment sustainability. Thank you.